My dear Scorpios, welcome back to this channel. And in case if you're new here, then hello. My name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, you are going to find weekly, monthly zodiac readings, pick a card readings about love, relationship, marriage, children, career, health, and so much more. So, my dear Scorpios, if these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about my upcoming video. Phew. All right, Scorpios. So, time for disclaimers now. Please note that these readings, my dear Scorpios, are general weekly Scorpio readings. In case if it does not resonate with you, Scorpio, then please do not forget to check out my other zodiac weekly readings as per your sun, moon, rising, or Venus sign. Also, remember that timing is fluid and these are timeless readings. So, you will, my dear Scorpio, come across this particular video only when you're meant to watch it, my dear Scorpio. So, let's get this party started, Scorpios. Let's see what's in store for you this week, my dear Scorpio. Knight of Cups, Scorpio. We've got the Knight of Cups. So there is something that you have been planning or thinking of achieving in life, and whatever this thing is, especially if it is a relationship or thing where your passion lies, whether it's about career or whatever, you are going to achieve it very, very soon and very, very positively. All right, Scorpio. Good news, celebrations, marriage on the cards for you, Scorpio. So, in case if you're single, expect to get into a relationship, expect them to say a yes this week. In case if you're in relationship, then marriage is on the cards. In case if you're already married, then some good news is on the cards, but there is definitely some kind of celebration or success is on the card. It could also be that in case if there is a you have been waiting for some projects to happen, then chances are, my dear Scorpios, that this is the time that your project is going to get through. You're going to have receive some good news with respect to your career or a new project or a relationship. Scorpio, the devil card. Okay, things don't come so easily, isn't it, in life? We have to do some kind of struggle, Scorpio. And that's what this card is teaching us. This card is telling us that there are some entities working against you. There are some entities which are working in terms of, against the forces that are working in favor of you. Somebody's trying to create obstruction in you achieving or getting what you need in life, whether it is a relationship, then they're trying to create a miscommunication or some kind of a cutoff between you and your person. In case if this is a prospect of a marriage, then somebody's trying to poke their nose and spoil the scene. If there is a new a new career prospect, a job opportunity, or a business opportunity, then somebody is eyeing it with a very bad eye, with a very bad intention. Let us see, Scorpios, what more is in store for you. Death. Okay, okay, okay. So I do see, Scorpios, that whatever. Okay, I'll take out one more card before I read this particular situation. Okay, so Scorpio, what I'm seeing is that whether it was a new relationship or whether it was a new career opportunity, a job opportunity, or whether it was a new project in your business, whatever it was almost coming to a closure. All right, you got it in your kitty. It came to you and then it will go out of your hand. So whether it is a relationship, things will go to the next level and then they will be called off. If you were single getting into a relationship, everything will be yes, and then again there will be a heartbreak. Or if it is a project, it will come to you and then it will go out of your hands. So whatever it is, Scorpios, this thing is going to end. Okay, and believe me, if this is going to end, there it was definitely not meant for you in the first place. Secondly, I understand that you will go through a lot of heartbreak because of this, but there are lessons for you to learn. All right, because it was never meant for you, my dear Scorpios, in the first place. And the cards are telling you that once this thing is over, all right? Whether, once, if you lose the project, or if the wedding is called off, if the proposal gets cancelled, please take time. It will exhaust you emotionally, and the cards are saying that do take time for yourself. Once that happens, introspect, relax, rejuvenate, try to connect with yourself. Don't lose yourself in losing this opportunity, okay? Because this opportunity is not your life. It is just a part of your life, okay? And it was not meant to be. Let's see what are the cards for you. um, I understand that you would have worked really hard for this, okay? But it's written all over the cards that this particular thing or a relationship was not meant for you. It really was not meant for you, my dear Scorpios. And what I can see from this last card with the Six of Swords is that definitely, uh, slowly but gradually, once this thing has happened and once things are over, if you rejuvenate, on if you try to rejuvenate, work on yourself, relax a bit, be kind to yourself, all right? Once this thing happens, then you will be working emotionally towards getting better and stronger, and you will get there, all right? The cards are telling that you will have to work on yourself emotionally, because this whole thing that is going to be there, which is going to get out of your life, this particular thing is going to leave you heartbroken and overstressed. So you really will have to work on your emotion, on your emotional health. Ensure that you don't get into depression. Try to meditate, because meditation is what I feel should be your way in terms of connecting with yourself, connecting with the universe and the source. Try to do things that you will like and kind of relax your mind, because this is going to eat up your mind. So you need to really try and focus and relax your mind. Let's see what the universe have in store for you, Scorpios. Isolation. Okay, so the cards are saying that you may want to take some time to isolate yourself. And when I say isolate yourself, not really mean isolating yourself from people, but more in terms of isolating from your overthinking and your thoughts, because our mind really plays a devil, all right? It's the mind that plays devil. It's the mind that makes us play the victim card. So don't let your mind rule your mood and heart. All right, isolate yourself from your mind, isolate yourself from the negative thoughts. All right, let's see what is another card. I don't feel like shuffling for some reason. Conditioning. Okay, so in case if this is a marriage being called off, or in case if this is a business project which comes in your hand and then goes away, then in that case, try to be strong and continue to be strong. Even the cards over here were telling you that you need to be emotionally and mentally, you need to really mentally work on yourself. And trust me, you are going to come out very strong, Scorpios, because you are a Scorpio. All right, and Scorpios are very, very strong. All right, Scorpios, so you are strong. The world will try to make you timid. The world will try to kind of cut you off and make you feel that, oh my God, what has happened to you, my poor baby? Don't get into that trap. Don't let them take that over you. You are a strong person and you will continue to grow stronger. All right, my dear Scorpio. So, this was your reading for this particular week. More power to you, Scorpios, and all the love and blessings to you. I will catch up with you in my next video very, very soon. Until then, do take care, very good care of yourself. Stay home and stay safe, Scorpios. Bye bye.